In this video, you will get an overview of all functionalities within the WebGui's Viewer, including setting the color sources and scan pattern. Click on the Viewer tab in the WebGui's navigation bar. By clicking on the Viewer tab, the device will start up and record a point cloud. You are now seeing a live 3D point cloud of your device. To switch to full screen mode, check on the symbol on the bottom right of the screen. Hold the left or right mouse button to drag and turn around the point cloud for a different point of view. By scrolling with your mouse, you can zoom in and out of the point cloud. Opening the settings shows a range of modes that can be used to depict the point cloud. Choose from any of the predefined color maps and set the graphic depiction of the point cloud. The color map scale on the left indicates which color shows which value. The maximum and minimum values of the scale are changeable. The points can be colored to indicate different parameters. The default setting shows the distance of each data point to the sensor. Other options are coloring the point cloud along the X, Y, or Z axis. The setting Ambient indicates how much ambient light is emitted in the scene, disregarding the laser light from the LiDAR. Set it to Intensity to see the point cloud color-coded indicating the intensity of the reflected light. Variably change the size of the single displayed points in the point scale settings. Click on the Scan Pattern tab to change the scan pattern even during operation. Choose between several pre-saved scan patterns to adjust frame rate, scan lines, and field of view. The Blickfeld cube is a scanning LiDAR with a single laser beam that is deflected upon the scene. To gain a higher resolution, the frame rate is reduced since it takes longer to capture the entire picture. Reduced scan lines result in a higher frame rate. Adjust the size of the background grid in the grid size settings. To record the point cloud, click on the recording button in the lower left corner of the viewer. The recorded data is automatically downloaded while recording. To end the recording, click on the recording button again. The folder button next to the record button will replay a recording. You can choose from your files which recording you want to replay. Blickfeld also provides you with a converter to convert the data in any common LiDAR data format you need.